नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम व अला आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि व बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बना ज़िदना इल्मा आमीन या रब्बल आलमीन। Alhamdulillah. Let's continue with our Bab Fail and we were doing the lines from 25, the bait 25. It was about Fail Mudari, Fail Madi, and we have been doing it. It's Iraq and everything. The next lines are about Fail So first, let's read the lines for Fail Amr and the first line, the last line for the Fail Madi. This is from this bait 25. وحكمه فتح الأخير منه كقولهم سار وبان عنه والأمر مبني على السكون مثاله إذا سقط المغبون وإن تلاه ألف ولام فاكسر وقل ليقم الغلام وإن أمرت من سعى ومن غدا فأسكت الهرس الخير حرف الأخير أبدا. The next page. تقول يا زيد أغدو في يوم الأحد وسع إلى الخيرات لقيت الرشد وهكذا قولك في ارمي من رمى فاحذو على ذلك فيما استبهما والأمر من خاف خف العقاب ومن أجاد أجد الجواب وإن يكن أمرك للمؤنث فقل لها خافي رجال الأبس. So these are the ending ashar or bait for our fail amr till here. And then our next bab will be about fail mudare. These are the rules for making the fail amr. So let's see, inshallah, that what Imam al-Hariri is telling us about these abiyat. Here we were reading وحكمه فتح الأخير كقولهم سار وبان أخير منه كقولهم سار وبان عنه. So here in this, as I mentioned, that Imam al-Hariri was talking about Fa'il Madi, that all the Fa'il Madi, and we have done this in the previous session, that the Fa'il Madi are Mabni al-Fatha, they end with Akhir, means the last letter carries a Fatha, like you can see here, and he has given the examples for Sara Babana, Amala, Zahaba, Kharaja, Istaghfara, Allama, Jahada, all the families, they are Mabni al Fatha for Fa'il Madi. So the rules for Fa'il Madi are quite easy to learn. Then we did some charts for Fa'il Madi. We did the Ahwal for Fa'il Madi. We learned about the three types of halat for the Mabli states for Fa'il Madi. The first halat was the when Fa'il Madi is Mabdi al-Fatha, and we did the example for the Hua version, Kataba al-Talib al-Darsa, Zahaba Zaydun ila al-Bayti. We did it already, and we learned that how Fa'il Madi is Mabdi on Fatha. All right, so here you can see that these are also, you need to notice the last root letter, and that will be our uh, word or verb will be mabni on. You can notice here these three are the, look at the last letter or the lam kalima, you can see the fathas here. So they are, we just did the example for here, kataba darsu, mabdi al fatha. So you can see there are, in your pronoun chart, you can see that there are two more sigha that are mabni al fatha. You can notice here the lam kalima that none of these carry a fatha. Only this carries a fatha, these three. The Hua version, the dual form of the Huma version, these and this one. So here, Nasara, you can say that this is Mabdi al-Fatha, this is Mabdi al-Fatha, and this is Mabdi al-Fatha. Alright, then we learn about the second type of the Falimadi, that was when Falimadi is Mabdi al-Dam. Mabni al-Dam. And we learned that when it is Mabni al-Dam, when it is attached with vowel jama'a. Mabni al-Dam إذا اتصلت به واو الجماعة, when it is attached with the vowel jama. And we learned that we learned the examples for that. At-tullabu katabu darsa, at-tullabu zahabu ila al-bayti, zahabu ila al-bayti. We can see here the last or the lam kalima. It is carrying a dhamma because of this vowel jama. Because of this vowel jama, it has that is why it is mabni ala dam, because of the vowel jama. This was the second condition. The third condition, as mentioned here, the third condition was when it is attached with the damir rafa mutaharik, and these are of three types: tal, file, na filein, and nun niswa. And we did the i'rab for all these. katabtu darsa, katabna الدرس الطالبات كتبنا الدرس. So these are the examples we did for tafile, nafailin, and nunu niswa. We did the i'rab for all these three. Here you can see these three, the tafile, the nafailin, and this you can say the nunu niswa. Here, see here, these were the three types: Damir, Rafa Mutaharik, Tafail, Nafailin, and Nunu Niswa, as shown in the chart. All right, then here, one thing I should mention here, that when Imam al-Hariri was saying that وَحُكْمُهُ فَتْحُ الْأَخِيرِ, he was actually, some of the ulama say that he was actually saying that here this kataba, katabu, and katabta here, or katabtu here, these all the mabni al-fatha, mabni al-damma, and mabni al-sukun, they all are mabni al-fatha. Alright, so actually this opinion is not very popular, but here he meant that all the falimadi are mabni al-fatha, and this fatha is al-muqaddara. So it's hidden, but here they are just showing the other Arab that this is not Mabni al-Fatha, but according to Imam al-Hariri, he mentioned that it is actually al-Fatha al-Muqaddara. There is a hidden Fatha on the last letter, like this. This is also Mabni al-Fatha Muqaddara, Mabni al-Fatha al-Muqaddara. But this, as I mentioned, that this opinion is not very popular. So as we did the Arab for the other, like this is Mabni al-Fatha, Mabni al-Dam, and Mabni al-Sukun. These are all those famous opinions that we did. But according to Ibn al-Ajrumiya, also mentioned in that the Fi'l Madi is Mabni al-Fatha. So here the summary of all the halat that we did. أحوال for فعل ماضي, حالة أولى, حالة ثانية, and حالة ثالثة. So حالة أولى is when فعل ماضي is مبني على الفتحة. حالة ثانية is when the فعل ماضي is مبني على الضمة, and حالة ثالثة is when the فعل ماضي is مبني على السكون. So here مبني على الفتحة. كتب الطالب الدرس مبني على الضم. الطلاب كتبوا الدرس. And ثالثة is when this فعل ماضي is attached with or ending with ضمير رفع متحرك تاء فاعل ناء فاعلين and نون نسوة. كتبوا كتبت الدرس. كتبنا الدرس. الطالبات كتبنا الدرس. مبني على السكون مبني على الضم and مبني على الفتح. So these are the three types, or you can say the three conditions where the فعل ماضي have about the إعراب. The three main types of the فعل ماضي. مبني على الفتح مبني على الضم and مبني على السكون. Alhamdulillah. So let's continue our فعل أمر in the next session inshallah. بارك الله فيكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.